To insert a single row, place your cursor on the row below where you want it, right-click and select Insert. The new row will appear above. To insert multiple rows, highlight several row numbers, right-click and select Insert. Deleting rows works the same way. Highlight the rows, right-click and choose Delete. A single row can also be deleted by right-clicking its row number and selecting Delete. For columns, place your cursor over the column letter, right-click and choose Insert to add a new column to the left. To add multiple columns, highlight several letters, right-click and select Insert. Deleting columns works the same way. You can also insert individual cells. Select the cells, right-click, choose Insert, then pick Shift Cells, right or Shift Cells, down and Confirm. This moves existing cells and adds blanks. Use Undo if you make a mistake. These tools help you organize and adjust your worksheet quickly and efficiently.